I want to do a quick review of this brand new product that just got released. This is a Tesla interior leather cleaner. Really excited about it. You can see it comes with the actual cleaning solution itself. Also comes with a nozzle that you simply attach to the bottle. And then they also included a microfiber cloth, which I think is really cool. So we're going to do a quick demo of this. As you'll soon see, my new white leather seats in our Tesla Model Y are completely filthy from my two little boys. So let's see what all the hype is about. So as you guys can see here, I have two stain marks. In fact, it goes right under our center console in the back seat. So we're going to go ahead and do this in real time for you to see what it looks like. And it literally said for light stains, you can just leave it on for a few seconds. Look at that, comes right up. How freaking cool is that? I can't see it at all, completely gone. Very impressive. Once again, can't recommend this enough. I'll be spending the next few minutes doing my entire car. Definitely check it out. I'm sure you guys will enjoy it as well.